fractions, decimals, and percents. Where can you buy a ruler that is 3 feet long? At a yard sale. Today's lesson is on fractions, decimals, and percents. We're going to write percents as fractions and decimals, and write decimals and fractions as percents. The Indiana Academic Standard is 7.1.7. For the vocab, a percent is a ratio that compares a number to 100. Pause the video if you need more time. For example 1, writing a percent as a fraction. Write each percent as a fraction or mixed number. 1a, 30%. Since percent means out of 100, we're going to put 30 on top and 100 on the bottom. We're writing it as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Then we need to simplify. Both 30 and 100 can be divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. 100 divided by 10 is 10. For part B, we have 175%. Again, we write it as a fraction with a denominator of 100, so 175 over 100. That can be simplified by dividing both 175 and 100 by 25. 175 divided by 25 is 7. 100 divided by 25 is 4. Then we can change 7/4 into a mixed number. 4 goes into 7 one whole time, with 3 left over, and we still have a denominator of 4. So 175% is 1 3/4. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down these two examples. Don't forget to write a question that we can discuss in class tomorrow. To write a percent as a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Be sure to add this into your notes. This is key. It's very, very simple. We just move it 2 places to the left. For 7.3%, you can see right here where I've highlighted, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left, so 7.3% becomes 0.03 as a decimal. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down these two examples. Don't forget to write a question that we can discuss in class tomorrow. To write a decimal as a percent, now we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Be sure to write that sentence down. When changing from a decimal to a percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 0.412, we move it 2 places to the right, becomes 41.2%. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down these two examples. Don't forget to write a question that we can discuss in class tomorrow. Example 4. Writing a fraction as a percent. 4 out of 7 members of the chess club are boys. What percent of the chess club members are boys? So we first write it as a fraction, 4 over 7. Now, you guys have been doing this, changing a fraction into a percent, all year. You can use your calculator, take 4 divided by 7, and you get 0.57142,857. We're going to change that then into a percent. We're going to do whole percents, so it changes into 57%. So about 57% of the chess club members are boys. Pause the video if you need more time to copy down these two examples. Don't forget to write a question that we can discuss in class tomorrow. Try the quick check 1A and B and 2A and B on your own. Pause the video, try all 4 of these problems, then start the video again to check your work. For 1A, 58% reduces to the fraction 29 over 50. For 1B, 72% simplifies to the fraction 18 over 25. For 2A, 62.5% is 0.625. And for 2B, 45% is the decimal 0.45, and the fraction simplified of 9 over 20. If you made any mistakes, be sure to correct your work, and if you have a question, ask about it in class tomorrow. Now try the quick check 3A and B and number 4. Pause the video, work all 3 problems out. When you're finished, start the video again and check your work. 3A, 4 hundredths becomes 40%. Remember, move your decimal point 2 places to the right. 3B, 1 and 75 hundredths becomes 175%. Again, move your decimal point 2 places to the right. For number 4, it says 3 out of 11 families in the United States own cats. To the nearest percent, what percent of families own cats? So 3 over 11 becomes 0.27272727, repeating decimal. We need to change that to a percent and have it to the nearest percent. So we move our decimal point 2 places to the right, and it becomes 27%. If you made any mistakes, please be sure to correct those. Don't forget, if you have any questions, jot them down, and we'll talk about them in class tomorrow.